Have you ever wanted to save an image or a pen drawing in Scratch? Well, because of a game-changing tool I made, this is now a reality. This tool, called ScratchBit, turns images, pen drawings, and anything else visual in a project into a save code. I'm Leotime channel, and in this video, we'll get into what ScratchBit is, how it works, and how you can use it to take your projects to a whole new level. So first, you're probably wondering, what exactly is ScratchBit? ScratchBit is an easy-to-use module that turns images into save codes. It works by scanning each pixel and saving it as a hex color code, and then joining and compressing the values into a save code. The best part about it is that save codes generated in one project can be loaded into any other project with the module. To show you how powerful this truly is, I'm going to transfer this cat drawing from this project over here to this other project. So how do you install this into your project? Well, installing the module is super easy and will probably take you less than 5 minutes start to finish. First, open the ScratchBit project and click See Inside. The link for the project is in the description. Next, move the 7 sprites whose names start with ScratchBit into the backpack. Then open the project you want to install the module into and drag the 7 ScratchBit sprites out of the backpack. Finally, you'll need to add this script shown on screen to an event block, such as when sprite clicked or when key pressed. This opens the ScratchBit UI whenever that action is triggered. And that's it, easy peasy. With ScratchBit, you are no longer limited to what is inside your project. You could draw something in one project and load it into a completely different one, or save a design and share it with fellow Scratchers. To help you find projects that are compatible with ScratchBit, I created a studio full of projects that use the module, which is linked below. ScratchBit unlocks possibilities never before seen on Scratch, but don't take my word for it, go try it yourself. A more detailed guide of ScratchBit's capabilities is available on GitHub, link in the description. If this video helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more cool Scratch content. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me on my website or in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.